This home has the wow factor. Gorgeous upgraded home with almost 2,900 square feet of living space. Open and spacious floor plan. Upgraded crown moldings and tile floors throughout the downstairs. Large family room with oversized built-in entertainment center and cozy fireplace that opens to a grand kitchen with granite counters, crown molding, recessed lighting, a large island and plenty of cabinets and pantry space. Beautiful dining room with upgraded detailed accents and a huge enclosed patio for entertaining. Upstairs you have an office work area with a desk in the loft space, 4 spacious bedrooms including a massive master bedroom with walk-in closet and a master bathroom with separate tub and shower. There is also a huge bonus room which is probably the master of all home movie theaters. IT features an upgraded digital projector, 110-inch viewing screen and one of the best 7.1 surround sound systems available. The backyard has an awesome large covered patio with a bar and seating area with sink and fridge, a separate upgraded outdoor fireplace to relax and enjoy with family and friends, a jacuzzi, and there is also a full bathroom that was recently added and is fully permitted at the east side of the exterior of the property. You'll never want to leave your home.